I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
Hey guys, welcome back to GovZ Travels. Hope you're all doing great today. Today we are embarking on an ambitious road journey of nearly 3,000 miles or 4,800 kilometers, starting from Houston, Texas, driving all the way to the Atlantic coast of Jacksonville, Florida, exploring Florida's beautiful white sandy beaches, and finally soaking in the glitz and glamour of Miami. So buckle up, because this is going to be an unforgettable drive across some of the most scenic highways in the United States. Our journey today begins early at 3:30 a.m. from Houston with a long drive of nearly 900 miles, expected to take around 15 to 16 hours. It was pitch dark when we started. We have planned to drive continuously for the first 3 to 4 hours, covering nearly 300 miles before the day breaks. We are already in Louisiana, and you will notice a lot of elevated roads here. This entire stretch towards Mississippi and Alabama is filled with swampy terrain, with water flowing beneath the highways. Right in front of us is the Horace Wilkinson Bridge, crossing the mighty Mississippi River. Now we are approaching Baton Rouge, the capital of Louisiana. This steel bridge was built in 1968, making it over 50 years old, and it still looks absolutely spectacular. The bridge rises high in the center, allowing massive ships to pass beneath it, a truly breathtaking view from above. Interstate 10 is one of the most important highways passing through Houston, Texas, and we have always dreamed of exploring its entire stretch. I-10, as it is fondly called, is the fourth largest highway in the United States and the southernmost transcontinental interstate. It begins at the Pacific coast in Santa Monica, California, and stretches for nearly 2,460 miles, crossing 8 states: California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and finally ending at the Atlantic coast in Jacksonville, Florida. This time, our plan is to cover the Houston to Jacksonville stretch, which is about 900 miles or 1,450 kilometers. From there, we will continue down Florida's Atlantic coast to Miami, drive all the way to Key West, the southernmost point of continental America, and then return through the Gulf Coast, passing Tampa and Destin, before heading back to Houston, all of this over 5 days. This trip is primarily a driving tour with scenic breaks at some truly exotic locations in the Sunshine State. On the day 1, we will be driving from Houston to Jacksonville, Florida. On the day 2, we will be driving from Jacksonville to Daytona Beach and Orlando towards Miami. On the day 3, we will explore the Florida Keys, Isla Morada, and Key West. On the day 4, we will leave Miami towards Florida's west coast towards Destin. On the day 5, we will explore the white sandy beaches of Destin and return back to Houston, Texas. We have now entered the state of Mississippi, and this is the Mississippi State Welcome Center. This time, we plan to stop at every state welcome center, speak with the staff, and gather interesting facts about each state. That way, we can plan future trips to explore these states in more detail. Now, we are in Alabama, stopping at the Alabama State Welcome Center, a cozy and relaxing place for travelers. Even though we are crossing multiple states today, the distance covered in Mississippi and Alabama is relatively short, only about 75 to 100 miles each. We are now passing through the city of Mobile, driving through the iconic George C. Wallace Tunnel. This tunnel runs underwater beneath the Mobile River, making it a unique and fascinating drive. And finally, welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State. Florida is one of the most important and vibrant states in the US. Located along the Atlantic Ocean, it enjoys sunshine almost year-round and is world famous for attractions like Disney World in Orlando, drawing visitors from across the globe. Miami is a vibrant coastal city in southeastern Florida, known for its warm climate, cultural diversity, and global influence. Often called the gateway between the United States, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Miami blends cultures, languages, and traditions into a dynamic urban lifestyle. The city is famous for its stunning beaches, especially Miami Beach and South Beach, featuring white sand, turquoise waters, and iconic Art Deco architecture. Neighborhoods like Little Havana and Little Haiti showcase Miami's strong Latin American and Caribbean heritage. Spanish is widely spoken alongside English, giving the city its unique bilingual character. With a lively nightlife, thriving art scene, water sports, and professional sports teams, Miami offers a fast-paced yet relaxed lifestyle. As we continue, we are approaching Pensacola, one of Florida's most popular beach destinations, known for its powdery white sand beaches. Our drive continues east towards Jacksonville, passing near Tallahassee, the capital of Florida. After nearly 16 hours on the road, we have finally arrived in Jacksonville, Florida. We are now in the Eastern Time Zone, which is 1 hour ahead of Houston. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey along Interstate 10 towards Florida. Tomorrow, we'll begin our drive towards Miami, passing through Daytona Beach, famous for NASCAR racing, and skirting the outskirts of Orlando. The following day, we'll explore the breathtaking Florida Keys, including the Isla Morada and Key West, which lies just 90 miles from Cuba. Many travelers also cruise from Miami to the beautiful Bahamas, and later we will return via Florida's west coast, exploring Tampa, the Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and Destin before heading back to Houston. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to GovZ Travels yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and leave your valuable comments below. Your support encourages us to explore more places and share these beautiful memories with you. Until we meet next time, keep exploring. That's it for today. Govardhan from GovZ Travels, signing off here.